Recording? Yeah, it's recording, okay. I'm just gonna grind some bones, because I have nothing else to do, and I feel like grinding on the Sea of Treats just takes, like, forever, since it's, like, I'm pretty sure it's the last island on the game, or else I forgot how to count. Which I do multiple times in my career. Oh wait, it's not career yet. I forget my... Why am I speaking like this? I feel so stupid right now. I'm just gonna grind. What the heck was that? I keep forgetting I don't have... That's not Yama. And thinking that that'll boost me forward, but it won't. It's just like throws out some big ass dragon. Blows up. Please don't tell me there's anybody here. Hmm. $14.90. No! No! There's two people here. Better bet they're allies. 3 people here. Can't tell if they're PvPing. I'm just gonna have to dash through it, you know. Very good. No, wait, no, I can just clip in, right? Please tell me, please tell me, please tell me this will work. Please tell me I can avoid the fight. I don't like this. Let's go! Okay, actually can't. Now I just have to kill these motherfuckers for a while and hope nobody comes down here. I need bones. Nothing else, just bones. I think it is gonna... Shit. No, the staying up here is... Okay. Bro, don't even notice it's just this again. Bro! Which essentially is this guy in? Who's gonna die? Who's gonna die? Who's gonna die for real? Who's gonna die for real? Bro, what a goofy I'm higher level than him. Welcome, please. Get back here right now. See what? Don't pop full red. Come on. Oh, Jesus Christ, that was actually kind of terrifying. Sorry, that was my mom. Hopefully that muting system actually works. Damn, I usually suck at PvP, but since I'm a much higher level now than that dude, I think that was like the first like singular Oh, that was the first 1v1 I did and actually won without really running away. Against another Buddha spammer. And it was an assessed kill, so it's just free bounty. Not enough yet. But I don't know, it's crazy. It's like the living zombies over there. I had no idea that they existed until I got the quest, because like the Death King is over on that side, so I would just grind skeletons over there. So I had no reason to go over here until I had to actually do the quests. Which is crazy. Oh. My friend gave me an XP multiplier while I was grinding on this island, which made it like, which meant I didn't really have to grind too much on this island, which sucks because I only got like 300 bones or something, which isn't too much. Wish I got more. Oh, auto grinder? Damn! I'm just gonna steal all this dude's bones. Literally. Can't wait for those 15 minutes to pass and we'll just get easied. Bro, I hate auto learners. Honestly, they're not that bad because it's just kind of like free bounty. Bro just got CDK. Lucky. I only have Yama and I have enough mastery on Yama, but I don't have to Sheeta yet, so I'm waiting for Indra to spawn. Oh, this is such an uncomfortable position that I'm in. How many mirror circles I got? 2? What are mirror circles even going to be used for? Really hope they aren't for Race Awakening V4 in the next update. Probably not, but like I think it's gotta be something like, I don't know. It was like, say you need different materials. Ghoul is definitely gonna need some like a ton of ectoplasm, definitely. Probably bones and like anything like really bone related for Ghoul, because I use Ghoul. Maybe if you didn't wisps too. Cyborg is gonna need a ton of metal scraps and gunpowder. That's kinda obvious. Skypians are gonna need like dragon tail and something else that has to do with like flight, like wings. Those wing things, I don't have one yet because I'm in the 3rd sea. what's gonna be used for humans? Just gonna need a ton of like, it's probably gonna be like, humans won't need that much, probably like maybe some leather or something like that. What other races are there? Oh yeah, fishmen. They're definitely gonna need scales and fishtails, that's for sure. I think that's all the races, right? Yeah, so ghoul's gonna be like ectoplasm and bones. Fish is gonna be like dragon scale and fishtail. Mink is gonna be like something speed related. Skypian is gonna be that wing material that I don't have. Hopefully they'll add like. He's back. Is he? Dang it. I'll just sit here and grind any enemies he spawns. Thanks, dude. Yeah, better. This is my territory. Yeah, it was pretty cool. Wish it was better. It's much easier before. Come on. I don't need cash, but oh well. Guess I do need e-claw. Definitely not. Okay. Yo. Turn the PvP on. Yeah, keep on going. No, you really did that. Hey, Sam. Are those like enemies like at the under at the garden or something like that? Oh no, please don't kill me. Okay. Shit. I think he's on me. No, I'm so scared that somebody's gonna try to kill me because I'm really bad at PvP. I think the next videos I'm gonna post is like maybe Elden Ring, but I honestly kinda lost interest in that game. Sadly, it was a fire game though. I'll try Undertale definitely. I have the game, so maybe the next game, the next town not to place here is gonna be Undertale. I don't want to reset though. Whatever, I'll just do it. Yo, I'm getting fat. I'm getting more bones now. I feel like Dragon Town is like the only other fighting style that has a fire damage thing. Shiz. 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 These definitely won't be daily videos though, because like I just started. And they're all late at night too. So these definitely won't, all these videos won't just be coming out like once a day, because like I have like school, but luckily there's no school. Skadoosh. Skadoosh. No, I hate this dude. First of all my bones. Yeah, I should start selling the skulls. I'm gonna pay for more attention. No, no, no. No, 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 no. No, oh, hold on. Off of me. How's he even... How does hacks even work? Thanks for the free kills, dude. Bro, just giving me free bones. Bro, stop. Anything you've been down here, I'm gonna kill for you. This dude's fine. Yes, die. Good. Now stay up. Better not come back. Now that he can get killed again, he's in danger. Because as soon as he teleports his ass underground, you better know I'm here. I'll be... Should be at 90 now. Ninety-four. Great. I'm finna die. Oh. I'll just run. The hell is that? I can't even get out of here. How did she even think that would hit? Shit, but I gotta run, I gotta run. He's gonna kill me, he's gonna kill me. Shoot. Okay. I think it's safe to go spin. Cause I hate the fact that inside this place is like, damn bro, you wanna go again? Like, I'll happily kill you. Second time. What even is this? Okay, this is hard, I'm finna die. Okay, thank God. How much money do I have in the crew? Dang. It's not enough. Bro! I'm finna die again? Like, shit, it's the water. Don't go there, come on. Dang, I just got like 30k. Oh, barriers. Like from Splatoon 3. Just a hat. Let's see what this hat looks like. This looks ugly. What do they even do anyway? There are other games I should play before I go. You against 10% attack. Still prefer Hunter Cape. Hey, 10% more damage. I like that one. Better getting good stuff. And D and 3. Damn, flame. It's almost as if I needed it. In which I don't. Does that make him short? Damn it. But I'm just gonna give it to this dude. Free. Titles. I got go V2, go V3. I think I might get other races too. Besides fish, but like getting it to V3 is just annoying. What's the bridge chaser? I want it. The bridge collector, saving, double child. Dragon Breath, Death. Why isn't there anything for Dragon Town? Oh yeah, protagonist. And he also got Unstoppable Force, which is really fun. Oof. Killer cough. Cancer. Ghost. Demon mode. Joe 7, the chosen one. Main character, final hero. Skeleton, I remember that. Cake Prince. Doe Commander, and Cake King. Doe King. I'll try a demon mode. E. Dang, I have caps lock on. E. Ooh, that looks amazing. I prefer this one. Except, I'm missing like one color. Like, one normal color. I don't have any legendaries. Because I haven't found any. No, don't die. Please, have something good. In Lizard. Damn it! When will he ever, like, sell something good? Diablo. Should I, though? I have been searching for a chalice to get to Sheeta. I'm gonna hop off. Yeah. I knew it. Two shits. Okay, I'm gonna hop off now. Ugh. There we go. Okay. Bye. Aw, that's not how you do it.